Welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. This is my 94 Land Cruiser, and the paint isn't the best. The hood has been repainted at some point, the rest is original. I'm going to be using this vehicle to test a new product, Nexgen Ceramic Spray. This vehicle has not been waxed in the past year, nor was it cared for much of its life over in Japan before it was imported to the US. So let's start with the before test and see how the water beads on the surface. And you can see there is no beading at all. Give the Nexgen a good shake. Remove the cap and insert the spray nozzle. Ready to go. Alright, I have a cool dry surface, so I just mist it on to one panel at a time and use a clean microfiber towel to rub it in. And then wipe it off with another clean towel. Before this will spray, I have to flip this over like that. I'm just doing an even mist over the hood. The area in the middle of the spray is heavier, so it's not going to be a perfectly even mist. And rub it in. I'll get this side too. And now coming back with the other clean microfiber towel to wipe it off. Then I did the rest of the vehicle, and the nice thing is that I can spray the Nexgen on plastic trim, rubber, glass. There's no need to mask off. And that makes it faster and easier to use. Look at these old faded rubber mud flaps. Let's see what Nexgen can do for these. This looks brand new. Well, unfortunately, it was too good to be true. They're back to faded gray after a half hour. Alright, the whole vehicle is done, and it's gonna rain tonight, so I'll park outside and we'll see how the surface looks in the morning. Good morning, garage heads. It rained overnight, so let's see the results. And that's some really good beading of the water. You saw there was absolutely zero beading before the Nexgen. So it definitely works. But of course, it's effective right after application. Let's see how it rolls off while driving. Now, I know an 80 series Land Cruiser isn't the most aerodynamic vehicle, but I kind of expected the water to roll off the vehicle a little more since the application was just 12 hours ago. There it goes. I probably wasn't going fast enough before. Let's see. I'm doing 80 kilometers per hour, so about 50 miles per hour now. And most of the water is gone. Alright, it's December 4th. I applied the Nexgen about 3 weeks ago, and we're going to see how it's holding up after a few weeks. So, there you go. It is still on the surface. You can see the water being repelled. So it is still holding up strong after a few weeks. All the other YouTube videos show the before and after like I did, but none of them test the longevity of the product. It's about to start snowing here in Ohio, so I'm going to put Nexgen through the ultimate test, an Ohio winter with road salt and nasty brine solution. I'll check back in 6 months and we'll see how it holds up in the long run. Alright, it's Friday, June 10th, 6 months and a few days since we last tested the Nexgen. Just over 200 days total since the Nexgen was applied. I just washed a Land Cruiser. I probably washed it about 5 times since the Nexgen was applied. And as you can see, there is absolutely no water being repelled from the surface. Zero beading. So I think it's safe to say that the Nexgen has completely worn off in the past 6 months. And to be fair, I didn't expect it to last this long. I'd be really impressed if there was any trace left after almost 7 months. They say it can last up to 6 months, so realistically, I might expect 3 to 4. It did last longer than Shine Armor though, another ceramic spray that I reviewed a while back. The Shine Armor was gone after 6 months of the vehicle sitting in storage under a cover. I'd pick Nexgen over Shine Armor because at least it went through an Ohio winter. Nexgen and Shine Armor are both ceramic sprays, and the Nexgen has 13% SiO2, which is silicon dioxide, the ingredient in professional ceramic coatings. Ceramic sprays are the easy DIY spray on and wipe off version of expensive ceramic coatings. So you have to apply them more often compared to a professional ceramic coating, which can last a few years. And over here, I have some professional ceramic coating. This is by Avalon King. This kit's about twice the price of the Nexgen, but when you consider how much longer it lasts, I think it's worth it. I'm going to be using this on my Mustang, but there's a lot of prep work involved. Instead of just washing, there's also clay bar and paint correction recommended for best results. So I'm looking at a couple of days of work to apply this true ceramic coating by Avalon King. But there will be a video for that as well. So if you don't have that kind of time and you'd rather apply a ceramic spray more often, then stick with the Nexgen. Consider subscribing for more how-to videos and project vehicle updates here at the 6th Gear Garage. Thanks for watching.